The best president has something to share with you. The Awo of the Yoruba land is speaking. Please, can you people gather here and listen to him? The best president of Nigeria that Nigeria never had.
We are certainly not going to end the war on account of people being starved. All is fair in war, so we are told, and that is the position.
The plight of the civilians is not the number one priority.
But number one priority is the unity of the country.
Thank you, sir. You tried. Kudos to you. Please, round of applause for him. You really tried. You are the best president ever. You are the best president that Nigeria never had. The best president that Nigeria never had. You are the best president Nigeria never had. After all the starvation, after all the evil plans, the evil ideology to eradicate the Igbos from the surface of the earth, yet your mission was not accomplished. You still died without becoming the president that you have ever been dreaming. That same reason that made you bring in these evil ideas to starve children, women, even the pregnant women to death, simply because you needed one united Nigeria where you can be made president as you were promised. Unfortunately, your gender failed you. Unfortunately, your colleagues failed you. Unfortunately, your plan never worked. Unfortunately, your idea to make sure that anything that breathes around Igbo land never come up again also failed. And today we are very strong, we are healthy, we are rich, and we are proud of what we are, who we are. I wonder how you'll be feeling today. I wonder how you'll be feeling today to see that those evil reasons, those reasons why maybe people to fight the first war is still existing today. I wonder how you'll be feeling. The best president Nigeria never had is talking. The best president Nigeria never dreamed of having is there talking. Come and listen to him. The best president Nigeria never had is talking. Come and listen to him. Kudos, the Awo of Africa, the Awo of Yoruba land.